Welcome to Computer Networks, Unit 2, Chapter 5, Part 1. From this video, we are going to see what is a computer network, advantages, disadvantages, what are user access rights, what are protocols, the types of LANs, what are WLANs. Okay, right. Then what is a network? Simply, it's a connection between two or more computers. What are the advantages of a network? Flexible access, shared access to the internet. You can share the hardware, software, can communicate with others, control user access rights. What is this? User access rights means. Now look at this figure, right? This is a bus topology. There are two users, user A, user B, and a shared printer and an internet connection. Okay, now if the network administrator wants to grant the permission to this user A to access the printer, he can do it, grant the permission. And also assume now this user B. Now the administrator grant the permission to this user B to access the printer as well as this internet connection. Simply it means user access rights. Okay. If this network administrator wants to take out this permission from this user B, it means accessing the printer service permission, he can do it like that. We call it revoke permission. Simply it means take it out, take it back. So it means user access rights. Grant the permission to the user as well as revoke permissions. So what are the disadvantages? Data and information can be destroyed, most probably because of virus attacks. And also, now we know there are some third-party people like hackers. They can rob data. It means unauthorized access. We are going to discuss how to protect a network from unauthorized access in future. Right. So if it is a network, as you know, there are a set of computers connected to each other. So how these computers are going to communicate? That's why a set of rules are there. We call these rules as protocols. Okay, so protocols means a set of rules used to transfer data between devices. So as an example, hypertext transfer protocol, transmission control protocol, internet protocol, file transfer protocol. There are different types of networks. Local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. First we will see what is a local area network. Okay, right? This network spreads in a small area. It can be within a building. So it's easy to maintain. It means to control the network because it spans within a small area. There are different types of LANs. Client-server network, peer-to-peer network. What is a client-server network? Now look at this picture. There is a server, a hub, and set of connected computers and some hardware devices. A server means a special computer. Its function is to store data, retrieve data, and to send data files to the connected computers. Right? Okay. Now assume here, now there is a user in this computer. This user wants to send a message to this user. Then what's going on here? This message simply passes from this computer to the hub, and this hub knows how to deal with this. And after that, what will happen? The server can transfer all this data to this workstation. Now hub is not an intelligent device. So now these days we are using switch instead of this. Right? We are going to discuss about these computer network devices in future. Peer-to-peer. Here no special computer servers are there. So what's going on here is, if this computer wants to send a message to this one, can directly send it, as well as this one can communicate with this computer even. Right? Okay. At last, what is a WLAN, wireless local area network? Now you know LAN is a network operates within a building. So this is simply means wireless, no wires. All these computers are connected to this wireless access point wirelessly using radio waves. Thank you for watching.